Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to talk about 4 very important words in English: when, how long, for, and since. These words are simple, but they can be confusing. So let's make them clear and easy to understand. Let's start with when. We use when to ask about a specific moment in time. For example, when did you arrive? When did you start learning English? So remember, when asks about a moment. Now let's talk about how long. We use how long to ask about duration. For example, how long have you lived here? How long have you been studying English? So, how long asks about duration. Now let's look at for. We use for to talk about how long something lasts. For example, for 2 hours, for 3 days, for a long time. In a sentence, I studied for 2 hours. She worked for 5 years. So, for tells us the duration. Now let's move to since. We use since to talk about when something started. For example, since Monday, since last year, since 2020. In a sentence, I have lived here since last year. She has worked here since January. So, since tells us the starting point. Now let's compare for and since. This is where many learners get confused. Listen to this. I have lived here for 5 years. I have lived here since 2020. What is the difference? For tells the duration. Since tells the starting point. Now let's put everything together. When did you start learning English? I started in 2020. How long have you been learning English? I have been learning for 3 years. Or, I have been learning since 2020. Let's try a real-life situation. You meet a friend. You ask, when did you arrive? They say, I arrived at 6. Then you ask, how long have you been here? They say, I have been here for 2 hours. Or, I have been here since 6 o'clock. So here is a simple way to remember everything. When asks about a moment. How long asks about duration. For tells the duration. Since tells the starting point. Before we finish, try this. Think about your life. When did you start learning English? How long have you been learning? Now answer. I started. I have been learning for. I have been learning since. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.